Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off filter comments on others pens on your Pinterest app. We will go to turn off this mark or know how we can do that on your Pinterest app. All you have to do, you just go down, you click here on saved, then you come to next window here, then you just or your profile, then you just go up, you click here on app, then it's going to show for you like this window here, and you click here on settings, then you come to settings window here, and you just click here on social permissions, then you come to next window here, and you just come here to filter comments on other space here, you click here on this mark. So you just click here on this mark, and like you see mark it's gone, that's mean color it's gone, that's mean filter comments on other space it's turned off now. So that's all now. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. See you in next video.